Hello, my dear student. I am going to start chemical properties of alkane. Alkane is saturated hydrocarbon, CH4, first member of alkane homologous series. Second, C2S6. Carbon-carbon bonded with through sigma bond. Then, alkane is less reactive hydrocarbon because carbon and carbon bonded through sigma bond, and sigma bond is not is a source of the electron, it is a stable and strong bond compared to pi bond. The reactivity of alkane is little compared to alkene and alkyne, which contain multiple bond. What reactions of alkane? First is substitution reactions. CH4 methane react with chlorine, hydrogen 1 replaced by the are substituted by the Cl, and formation of methyl chloride. Again, excess of chlorine, second hydrogen substituted by the chlorine, and formation of methylene chloride. And why put that here? HCl. If Cl2 remain, then Cl2 chlorine react with third hydrogen, and why put that here? HCl and hydrogen substituted by the chlorine, and formation CHCl3 is called chloroform. CHCl3 chloroform. One hydrogen remain. Again, chlorine react with hydrogen of one hydrogen अभी है ना उसमें of chloroform, and hydrogen of chloroform substituted by the chlorine, and formation carbon tetrachloride. All hydrogen substituted by the Cl, and formation of carbon tetrachloride. This reactions progress in the presence of sunlight, and this reactions progress by the free radical. यानी इस रिएक्शंस के यदि मैकेनिज्म देखते हैं तो इस रिएक्शंस को इनिशिएट कौन करता है? फ्री रेडिकल. तो इस रिएक्शंस की जो मैकेनिज्म है वो क्लोरीन फ्री रेडिकल के द्वारा प्रोग्रेस होती है. रिएक्शन विथ आयोडीन, CH4 मैथेन प्लस आयोडीन, one hydrogen of methane substituted by the iodine, and formation of methyl iodide. And why put it here? HI word. This reaction is a reversible in a nature. Accordingly, Chatelier principle, reactions move in a forward direction maximum when concentration of reactant is increased or concentration of product is decreased. No possibility the concentration of product is decreased. Then this reactions progress in the presence of oxidizing agent. As iodic acid, mercuric oxide, or nitric acid. In the presence of iodic acid HiO3, Hi react with oxidizing agent, and formation of 3 molecules of water and iodine. It means the concentration of product is decreased and concentration of iodine is increased. If use of nitric acid, then 6Hi plus nitric acid HNO3, product here 2NO plus 4H2O plus 3I2. It means product concentration is automatically decreased and iodine reactant concentration is increased. The reactions progress in a maximum forward direction in the presence of oxidizing agent. यदि हम किसको ले लें, मर्क्यूरिक ऑक्साइड को, तब क्या होगा? Hi react with mercuric oxide and form is mercuric iodide plus water. Then concentration of Hi product automatically is decreased. The reactions move in a maximum forward डायरेक्शन. इसका मीन्स है कि आयोडीन से जब रिएक्शंस करते हैं तो आयोडीनेशन मैक्सिमम तब होगा जब हम किसी ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट को यूज करेंगे एज ए, जैसे आयोडिक एसिड, मर्क्यूरिक ऑक्साइड और नाइट्रिक एसिड. Nitration. Nitration reaction with concentrate HNO3. Range of temperature 723 Kelvin. C6H14 hexane. The product here C6H13 NO2. One hydrogen substituted by the nitro group. The name of it is nitrohexane, and Y product here H2O. This reaction is called nitration reactions because one hydrogen substituted by the nitronium group. Then this process called nitration. Next is a sulfonation. Sulfonation reactions with concentrate H2SO4. Range of temperature 623 Kelvin. Hydrogen substituted by the sulfur group SO3H is called hexane sulfonic acid. And Y product here H2O, and this reaction is called sulfonation of alkane. Oxidation. Two type oxidation. One is a complete oxidation. Next is a incomplete oxidation. CH4 methane oxidized by the oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. This reactions is a exothermic in a nature and evolved energy is 870 kilojoule per 890 kilojoule per mole. 890.4 kilojoule per mole. Incomplete oxidation, methane plus 3O2 oxidize carbon monoxide and water. It means this is called incomplete oxidation. It is a very important. In the presence of copper. In the presence of the copper, range of temperature 523 Kelvin and pressure is a 180 m. Methane CH4 plus O2 oxidize in a methanol or methyl alcohol. यानी कॉपर की प्रेजेंसी में यदि हम ऑक्सीडेशन करते हैं तो किसका फॉर्मेशन होगा? मेथेनॉल का. इफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ मोलिब्डेनम ऑक्साइड देन CH4 plus O2 oxidize in SCHO formaldehyde plus H2O. This is a difference. अगर हम किसकी प्रेजेंसी में करते हैं? मोलिब्डेनम ऑक्साइड की, देन प्रोडक्ट हियर फॉर्मल्डिहाइड आर मैथेनल एंड वाटर. देखिए रिएक्टेंट एक है लेकिन प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंटेड हो रहे हैं. इसका मीन्स है प्रोडक्ट को कौन कंट्रोल कर रहा है? कैटलिस्ट. वहां कॉपर था तो मैथेनॉल. मोलिब्डेनम ऑक्साइड को लिया तो मैथेनॉल का फॉर्मेशन होगा. इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सिल्वर ऑक्साइड Ag2O CH3 plus oxygen. The product here 2CH3COOH. किसका फॉर्मेशन होगा? एसिटिक एसिड का, प्लस 2H2O. It means the oxidation in the presence of copper, methane oxidized in methanol. In the presence of molybdenum oxide, methane is oxidized in methanol. In the presence of silver oxide, alkane oxidized in a carboxylic acid. This is a control oxidation of alkane. Aromatization. In the presence of chromium oxide and vanadium pentoxide, range of temperature 773 Kelvin and 10 to 20 atm pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is normal hexane. Normal hexane. Formula is C6H14. If normal hexane polymerize, if the normal hexane in the presence of chromium oxide and vanadium pentoxide during the aromatization process change into benzene C6H6 plus 4 हाइड्रोजन. दिस रिएक्शन कॉल्ड एरोमेटाइजेशन. इसका मीन्स है कि आपका जो नॉर्मल हेक्सेन था वो एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड में कन्वर्ट हो गया. इस प्रोसेस का नाम क्या है? एरोमेटाइजेशन. नॉर्मल हेक्सेन और एल्केन सीरीज हाइड्रोकार्बन change into aromatic compound in the presence of the molybdenum oxide or chromium oxide and vanadium pentoxide. Range of temperature 773 Kelvin and pressure 10 to 20 atmosphere. The process called aromatization. Thermal decomposition. Fragmentation of alkane in the presence of alumina or silica C6H14 plus H2. This is a hexane 2 hexene or C2H6 plus C4H8. Butene and ethane are C3H6 C2H4 and CH4. It means fragmentation of hexane or hexane decompose in a various product in the presence of alumina and silica on heating. This process called thermal decomposition. Isomerization 1, 2, 3, 4. Normal butane in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 HCl, range of the temperature 573 Kelvin in isobutane. One isomers change into another isomers, then this process called isomerization. The product here isobutane. Normal butane to isobutane. The process called isomerization. एक आइसोमर्स का दूसरे आइसोमर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाना is called isomerization. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Okay, thank you.